I'm going to level with you in a calm, straight-up way. If you've ever lain awake replaying a chat, wondering if she truly wants you or if you're just good company, you're not the only one. That restless doubt chips away at your self-assurance and flips excitement into worry. Here's a solid insight from attraction psychology. Women who are really into you won't keep you guessing indefinitely. They drop 2 reliable questions, and they're no accident. When you're secure in your own worth, you'll spot them easily. If you're not, you'll overlook moments that could spark something real. Take a deep breath and let this be your roadmap to seeing clearly instead of circling endlessly. When a woman is pulled toward you, her actions change in subtle yet obvious ways. Her voice warms up. Her gaze lingers a second longer. She leans in as you talk and creates room for you to get closer. Attraction isn't some mysterious puzzle. It's an energy that craves acknowledgement and a response. A lot of guys brush these signs off as mere courtesy because insecurity clouds their view. But real interest reveals itself through behavior. She starts conversations, stretches out your time together, and looks for excuses to share more moments. These are clear indicators, not random flukes. Mastering how to read them is essential relationship smarts, the type of emotional savvy that shifts your dating game. The first question she'll toss your way revolves around your schedule. What are you up to later, or when are you free? These aren't idle chit-chat, they're open doors. Time is the true measure of genuine curiosity. She's picturing herself in your open slots, envisioning hangouts, talks, or just being nearby. Guys often reply offhand and let the chance slip, or they jump from a place of neediness. A self-assured man catches the hint, respects his own agenda, and answers with relaxed give and take, showing openness without dropping his boundaries. That poise converts interest into real progress. When she probes your plans, she's gauging if you'll make room for her and if she's worth prioritizing in your world. The second cluster of clues lives in comfort and heartfelt interest. When she texts to see if you got home safe, checks if you've eaten, or asks how your day unfolded, she's extending care that signals deeper desire. Not parenting, but invested warmth. Looking out for your well-being lays the foundation for closeness. It proves she's tuned into your life and can picture syncing up routines. When she digs into your thoughts, ambitions, challenges, or recalls tiny details from conversations weeks back, she's constructing emotional pathways that welcome openness. Men who pick up on this respond with calm assurance, not desperation. They don't chase approval, they recognize it, reflect it back, and share their own inner world. Want stronger dating results? Quit confusing static for substance. Train yourself to detect true intent, move with rooted self-worth, and meet care with full attention. If this clicked for you, tap that like button and hit subscribe for more tips on attraction psychology, especially if you're tired of mixed signals and ready for signs that actually mean she's into you. And here's the bottom line. The woman who wants you will clear space in her life, inquire about your hours, and prove she cares. Pay attention, reply thoughtfully, and step forward with quiet self-respect. Spot these cues, echo them with steady confidence, and watch uncertainty turn into real connection. Ignore the distractions, lock onto the intentional signs. If this hit home, smash the like and subscribe for more straightforward dating advice and psychology breakdowns. It helps spread clarity to others too. Trust your gut, own your value, and remember, true desire whispers softly, so tune in carefully and answer with poise.